Hi and welcome to the 6 Carat Weekly. Today we are at EIF with Bjorn Tremmerie, who will introduce himself.
Welcome at EIF, the European Investment Fund. We are the leading provider of risk financing for entrepreneurship and innovation in the European Union. I am Bjorn Tremmerie, Head of Technology Investments at EIF.
Bjorn, we wanted to know, how was the transition between 2020 and 2021 for EIF?
2020, we were facing with the full corona crisis as the rest of the world. We adapted ourselves accordingly, went to home office, put in place corona programs to help the SMEs out there in the union to get the necessary funding. So we added a lot of funding on top of the usual programs that we already had, the Pan-European Guaranteed Fund, for instance, but also the German Corona Matching Facility. In 2021, we will continue doing that, and I hope that 2021 will also be the year that we get out of the pandemic. Well, next to the pandemic, we of course have a business to run at EIF as well, and 21 is an important year because we will be launching, in cooperation with the European Commission, the next budgeting period, the 7-year program, which is called InvestEU, where the Commission will again channel billions of euros towards strategically important sectors such as climate, such as digitalization of the economy, such as cybersecurity, quantum computing, artificial intelligence, blockchain, to make certain that also European startups and SMEs have the necessary financing to develop their companies. Well, Stefan, you asked about trends for the future. I think technology will continue to set the trend, and especially in Europe. So if you're an institutional investor and you're not investing in European venture capital, you're going to miss out on some great returns that the European ecosystem is now generating. So stay tuned on European venture, I would say.
Last week, we had the opportunity to organize our first physical ExCo meeting and dinner after many, many months. And this was also the opportunity to welcome our new ExCo member, Giuliano Bidoli from BC Partners.
Today, we're launching the last module of the LPEA Academy Summer Edition 2021. It deals with multi-strategy and fund-of-fund investing. In this module, you're going to learn how to invest in funds, be it private equity or venture capital funds, and once invested, how you should monitor them. In a low interest rate environment, accessing alternative investments is an important tool to diversify your portfolio. Looking forward to seeing you later today.
Last Thursday, we hosted a webinar on esports and gaming, and we wanted to know how relevant this industry is as an investment opportunity. And tomorrow we will host a new international webinar with our friends from BAI, and we will discuss the new rules applicable to Luxembourg funds in Germany. And on Wednesday, we will host a webinar on Israel, the startup nation, and also how Luxembourg could become a very interesting fundraising platform.
Thank you for joining.
See you next week.